How to fix Snapchat video call problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat video call problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again and then just type here Snapchat and click on it, and here all you need to do just click permissions and then click this one here camera and allow, and then click microphone and allow it. And after that just go back and go try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem then just go to apps and then apps again and Snapchat, and here we'll find storage. Click on it. Now clear data, but after that you will need to log in again, but your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.